everyone. In this video we are going to see the next type of your direction concept. Let's see the question one by one. Yeah, this is your first question. A man is facing north. A man is facing north. Okay, north, facing north. It turns 90 degree in the clockwise. First of all, you want to understand this is the clockwise direction. How the clock is rotated? So this is 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the clockwise, right hand towards right hand direction. Anti-clockwise means towards left hand side direction. So this is the clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now the person is facing north. He turns 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. So this is north, south, east, west. So this is the 90 degree. Completely turn and standing here. This is the east direction. Okay, now then 135 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. So now this turns the left hand direction, 90 completed, again 90 is completed, west direction, 90 plus 90 is 180, just he can complete 135 na. So 90 plus, this is the 90 and this is the 90 plus 45, 135 over, the person is standing here, 135 degree. So, anti-clockwise 130 degree, the person is standing here and then another 225 degrees in the same direction. Same direction means which direction? Anti-clockwise direction. 225, this is the 45, this is 90 and this is 90. 180 plus 45 is, this is 45, behind 45. 45. And this is the 90 and this is the 90. 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 45, 225. The person is coming here. After that, finally 180 degree in the clockwise direction. So 180 degree, this is 90 and this is the 90. Finally the person is standing here. Just you can calculate, you can imagine this is the 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. The half of 90 is 45, 45. Okay, now, so 180 degree in the clockwise. Which direction is the man facing now? The person is standing here. Now, which direction is facing? West direction. So, our answer is option B. We'll move on to the next question. A horse is facing north. Horse is here and he is facing north. Okay. He turns 270 degree in the clockwise direction. See, consider north, south, east, west. Okay. 270 degree. This is 90. This is 90, 180. 180 plus a 90, 270. The horse is coming here. 270 degree clockwise direction. Then 180 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. 180. This is all 90 and again 90. 180 is completed anti-clockwise direction. First of all, move on to the clockwise direction from north. Okay. Now 180 degree in the anti-clockwise direction and another 45 degree in the same direction. And again 45 degree. Anti-clockwise. Okay, same direction. Same direction means previously he turned, that is anti-clockwise or clockwise, that is called as the same direction. So 45 degree was over here. So here 180 degree over and then next finally 360 degree in the clockwise direction. So 45, 90 plus 90, 225. Here 360 degree. We can consider this is the 45. Okay. Now coming like this means the whole round is here. Whole round is called as 360 degree. Wherever he can start, he started here. Okay. Now you complete this entire circle. It is called as 360 degree. Now the horse is standing here. So then which direction is the horse facing now? He is standing here. The horse is standing here. So which direction? North, east. In between north and east is northeast. So this is the cardinal direction. In between north and east is northeast. The ass is facing northeast direction. One more point in this concept. Clockwise means right hand side rotation. Anti-clockwise means left hand side rotation. You can consider the clock, how the clock is rotated. Okay, the whole round is called as 360 degree. And person completed whole round is here starting, and he can finally complete here means he completed 360 degree. Okay, so if it is the person is standing here means this is the person is standing here, the upward direction is north, downward direction is south, and right hand side direction is east, and the left hand side direction is west. So if it is upward and having the right, slanting right means that is called as northeast. If the person is standing here and upward slanting left means this is called as northwest. Similarly, the person is here standing, looks downwards, it is exactly means south. If it is slanting right means southeast. If it is slanting downwards, towards downwards, slanting right means it is called as southwest. Don't get confused, these are the cardinal directions. This is the example of how the directions will be asking in the concept of clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction based on your 360 degree. Thank you for watching.